Emergency Alert System and Logs. The Emergency Alert System and Test. All stations, including KNKR, are required to participate in the Emergency Alert System. Station personnel must pass on any national emergency message to listeners in accordance with the FCC's EAS rules. Emergency alerts for KNKR are broadcast automatically by our EAS system. All hosts are required to be familiar with the system and its alerts. How to acknowledge these alerts on air, and how to respond to the broadcast requirements in an emergency. A copy of the FCC EAS Handbook and the State of Hawaii EAS Plan are available at the station. Station logs. As a licensed station, KNKR is required to maintain station logs for inspection by the FCC, detailing all antenna checks, reports of equipment malfunction, and emergency alert system activations. The required logs will be available in the on-air studio each day. These logs, legal documents, are property of the FCC and must be completed in blue or black ink with a complete effort of validity. All discrepancies and errors in the logs must be lined out and corrected, dated and signed by the originator. Falsification of log documents is a federal offense. Keeping clear logs also helps the station understand equipment malfunction trends and provides details of what happened on a particular shift.